You are welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. Today we're going to court. We're going to court to learn the jargons or the words that are associated over there. So stay tuned. In any case, when do we go to court? We go to court when there is a case. So first of all, let's ask, how do we say a case in Twi? Twi we say asem. Asem. Good. So when there is a case, we go to court. Court in Twi we say asenibia. Asenibia. The Twi word for court comes from three words, and they are asem, di, and then bia. When we say asem, as I have explained, asem means what? Case. Good. And then di means what? To settle. And let me add this quickly. Twi words, the shorter they are, the more meanings they have. So di has several meanings. But as far as this lesson is concerned, we will concentrate on what? To settle or to resolve. So di here means to settle or to resolve. And then bia means a place. So we have case, resolve, and then place. So the Twi word for court simply means a place of resolving issues. Asenibia or asenie. Asenibia or asenie. You see that here, instead of di, we are saying ni. It's because of vowel harmony. That is why the D turns to what? N. And probably I'll have to prepare a lesson on that. Good. So we have asenie or asenibia to mean what? Court. Well, who is the most prominent personality as far as court issues are concerned? Definitely you are going to say what? The judge. Good. What does the judge do? He judges cases. Good. In Twi, if you are judging a case, we say bua aten or bu aten. So a judge judges cases, right? And so in Twi, we say judge bu aten. Judge bu aten. Aten is what? The verdict. Aten is the verdict, and the judge comes out with a verdict, or the judge judges, and that is what? Aten. Atemu. Atemu. So a judge judges a case, or judge bu aten. Judge bu aten. Some people will also say judge bua asem. Judge bua asem. Okay. Someone may also wonder, then how do we say judge in Twi? Well, in Twi, a judge is known as what? Otemuafo. Otemuafo. You see, the Twi words, most of them, they have meanings. Otemuafo. Otemuafo. You see judge in this word, aten. Judge. It's in it. That is someone who judges. Oten. Bua. Bua means what? To judge. Oten refers to what? Aten, which is judgment. Which is judgment. So oten buafo. That is for makes it what? A person. So a person who judges. A person who judges. That is the meaning of the Twi word for what? A judge. Otemuafo. Otemuafo. A person who judges. Good. So we know Otemuafo bua nsem. A judge judges issues. Well, when does court sit? A court will sit when there is a case. And when there is a case, then that means there is an accused person, isn't it? an accused person. In Twi, an accused person is known as what? Die Ojina Dakamu. Die Ojina Dakamu. Or Die Nihuakudi Edwamu. Die Nihuakudi Edwamu. Well, Adaka is what? A box. So when you go to the court, that box that the accused person stands in, that is what we are referring to. Die Ojina Adakamu. Okay, die means what? The one. Ojina stands. Ojina, that means stands. Adakamu, in the box. Adaka is what? The box. Then the mu means what? In. But as I've already explained, in Twi, the adjectives and the prepositions most often than not come after the noun. So you see in is coming after adaka, that is the noun, adakamu. So the one who stands in the box, the ojina dakamu, the accused person. The ojina dakamu, the accused person. Sometimes also we refer to the accused person as what? Die ne ho akodi adwamu. When we say adwa is a special trap that is normally used to trap animals. Good. So when we say die ne ho akodi adwamu, it means the one who has been what? Trapped. Die, I've told you, means what? The one. Ne ho means what? Himself or herself. Akodi has gone into adwamu, in the trap. So the one who has been caught in the trap. Yeah. When you have a case, it is believed that the law has what? Caught you. So in that sense, you have been trapped by the law. And we are referring to the law here as what? A trap. So die ne ho akodi adwamu, accused person or the accused. So we have die ojina dakamu or die ne ho akodi adwamu as what? The accused. However, sometimes we confuse ourselves with the accused and the victim. Sometimes people use die ne ho akodi adwamu for the victim, and it's like nowadays that is also becoming acceptable. Once you refer to the victim as die ne ho akodi adwamu and you mention a person's name, that is somehow accepted. But the correct word or the correct phrase for the victim is die ne ho akokam or die ne ho aka. Die ne ho akokam. That means the person who has been affected. Die, the one. Ne ho, himself or herself. Akokam has been what? Stuck in the issue. So the one who has been affected by the issue is known as what? Die ne ho akokam. Or we can say die ne ho aka. If something scratches you, we say Akan. Or if there is a paint, I'm painting and mistakenly some of the paint gets stuck onto your body or your attire, then we say Akan. Akan. It has touched you or it has got stuck to your body. Akan. Okay, so the person who has been affected, the victim, is the one that has been affected by the issue. So we say die ne ho aka. Die ne ho aka. Ewasem no mu. The one who has been affected in the case or in the issue. That is the victim. The victim. So the victim in Twi we say die ne ho akokam or die ne ho aka. Die ne ho aka. The victim. Good. I don't want to bombard you with so many jargons in one lesson. So we'll end here and continue the rest in the next video. So stay tuned. By the way, you can share, like, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. And thanks for your loyalty.